Hello, and good to have you join us again. A suspected kidnapper has reportedly confessed to participating in multiple kidnapping operations after being arrested by security operatives. According to information revealed during an interrogation, the suspect allegedly admitted involvement in several abduction cases and also provided information about other members of the criminal network. Let's watch.
5,000 now don't follow them.
Okay, 5,000 I don't do the kidnapping.
Name the area.
Where and where una for don't do that kidnapping?
I be more than listen to.
Where and where?
For don't back that side.
In anywhere.
We dey go for back that side too.
See, you know the reason why we will not allow people to do it. Before you know it, it happen at this small thing now. We never catch the remaining one now. You don't trade.
Yeah, which is not supposed.
That's why you see me. We will not allow people to do it.
At least you
don't understand me. If you know say you cannot keep the video for your phone.
will catch the best.
Person like this one now,
It's a suspect.
when I will say you shoot him, you are children as Sarah. But if he help himself, we will help him.
Confirm. What is it?
Okay, see, if you help yourself, we will help you.
You're alive.
How? Only thing I just want to how we take get
The rest
people.
Okay, if you come from moto, I went to gas. We go to show where run on that side of the city, but they never.
For where? Which area be that
But
one?
don't back go so after the borrow pit.
After the borrow pit.
Never been get small body.
After the borrow pit. Which borrow pit be that one?
For your back so. We will face the tower also. That's who we face the tower.
Don't you know that?
Okay, wait. If we pass the borrow pit, we will see how they. Then where una take? How many places una don't do kidnapping?
Wait now.
How many place?
I dey follow them dey waka for night.
How many place una don't go do KP?
Because you say na 5 places. I tell the truth.
Different places, Oga.
How many? Figures.
How many place?
5,000 now don't follow them.
Okay, 5,000 I don't do the kidnapping.
Name the area.
Where and where una for don't do that kidnapping?
I be more than listen to.
Where and where?
For don't back that side.
In anywhere.
We dey go for back that side too. Different places, Oga. But this side, I don't feel like for watch out this side. I mean, never for no lay down woman place just now. Nothing follow this.
Okay, what una come do for here?
Now money will come meet the woman. He said the woman say whether get money. He say we come, we will see better money for her.
The man said the woman get money, abi?
No, the guys who will carry us come.
Who be the guy? What be his name?
The person who get small body get.
What be his name? What be the guy name?
Famous, now famous.
Famous. Okay. Your name now? What be your name? Johnson. The remaining people come name their name.
One Jambuki, so one Musafa. Second one Musa.
Then you go.
My name is Johnson.
Then the other boy go.
The uniform. To our Ghana
Effie. How many una dey? How many in number?
we be 6.
No be 6 in number. Now only 4 people you don't mention. Plus you. Then wait.
Famous.
Then how we go fit take get this remaining people now?
If we go Noga,
Where will they go? Where will they go? Where you say we go?
for the Oga place, Oga.
For which community?
Yeah, the Oga place. Hello?
For the Obagation.
For the Oga place.
If we go there, we go see am.
Also, na there they go.
Now there they go.
But never region.
Okay. That's good of you.
Na there they go before those can be.
While many Nigerians have welcomed the arrest, some are raising concerns about the timing of public disclosures. Critics argue that security agencies should have used information obtained from arrested suspects to track down and apprehend all accomplices before videos and confessions are released publicly. Their concern is that remaining members of the gang could see the information online and flee before security operatives even reach them. The case has also sparked fresh debate about the role of local cooperators in kidnapping operations. Many observers note that criminal groups often depend on insiders who provide information, coordinate ransom payments, monitor potential targets, and assist in planning attacks. These individuals may never carry weapons or physically participate in kidnappings, but investigators say they often play critical roles behind the scenes. The arrest highlights a reality that security experts have repeatedly pointed out. Criminal networks are rarely made up of a single group acting alone. In many cases, there are local informants, coordinators, financiers, and logistics providers working together to support violent crimes. This makes dismantling such networks far more challenging than simply arresting those found carrying weapons. Many Nigerians have also praised the security agencies involved in the operation, describing the arrest as another step in the fight against kidnapping and violent crime. However, citizens continue to ask what happens after suspects are arrested. For many communities affected by insecurity, arrests alone are not enough. They want to see thorough investigations, successful prosecutions, and meaningful punishment for those found guilty. One of the biggest concerns repeatedly raised by members of the public is the perception that some criminal suspects eventually return to society after arrest. Whether accurate or not, this perception has created frustration among citizens who fear that criminal networks continue to operate because key players are not permanently removed from the system. Although the situation also serves as a reminder that appearances can be deceptive, many individuals involved in criminal activities often appear successful, driving expensive vehicles, living lavish lifestyles, and displaying wealth that attracts admiration from others. Yet, investigators frequently reveal that some of this wealth may be linked to illegal activities rather than legitimate business success. Observers say this should encourage young people not to compare themselves with others based solely on material possessions. Behind visible display of wealth, there may be stories of criminality, violence, and exploitation that are not immediately observed to the public. As security operations continue across different parts of the country, citizens are being encouraged to remain vigilant and report suspicious activities to law enforcement agencies. Security officials repeatedly stress that community cooperation remains one of the most effective tools in identifying criminal networks and preventing attacks before they occur. The latest arrest may be seen as victory, but many Nigerians believe the larger challenge remains dismantling the entire network of individuals involved in planning, funding, coordinating, and carrying out kidnappings. What is your reaction to this arrest? Do you think enough is being done to ensure that criminal networks are completely dismantled after suspects are captured? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more updates. I am Cassie Tony, and many thanks for watching.